Guys, good morning. I had to come talk to you for a minute. I've done something shocking. I've done something stupid, and I've done something exciting. That's three crazy things that I have done in the last week and a half. And I tell you, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm beside myself. But I had to come clean with you guys. I've had this kind of in the works. I've had this in my mind. So the shocking, the entire name of the blog and the name that we're using is My Jeep and Me. Okay, so how did we get that name? I bought a Jeep. I've had Jeeps throughout the years and have a connection with the brand. So I bought an '87 Jeep Grand Wagoneer to fix up and restore. And one day, Ashley and I were sitting around trying to come up with blog names, and we saw or heard that jingle from that old kids cartoon, or no, it was Kids Toy, that My Buddy and Me. So that jingle came on, and we saw the ad for My Buddy and Me, and we just started laughing about how somewhat annoying, but how that jingle will stick in your head. And we were laughing about it, so I said, I ought to call the blog My Jeep and Me. And we couldn't come up with anything better, sad, I guess, in our creativity. But that's how we got the blog name. So anyway, what's shocking that we did? I sold the Jeep. I know. I sold it. This was the first true restoration that I had done. And it was going to be the only restoration that I had ever done. And I enjoyed the process. So I made the deal with Ashley one toy at a time. And I planned. I guess right now it's past tense because what comes next, the stupid and the exciting. So I sold that Jeep. We just went under a contract this morning. I got a fair price. And, and that's all I could ask for the first one. But I bought another Jeep. And I didn't just buy one Jeep. I bought two Jeeps. Yeah, that might be the stupid part. But that's not. At least that's not the stupid part that I intended to tell you about. The stupid part, and this was... I could have done this a whole lot better. I'm a measure 5 times, cut once kind of guy. And I did something really out of character, and I bought a Jeep Wrangler on eBay, sight unseen. Pictures were great. There's going to be a whole lot more information about what I bought, how I bought it, and how not to do it. I did just about everything wrong, and it was an absolute disaster getting it here. The ordeal we went through, not knowing who I could trust, who's trying to lie to me, who's not. We'll get into that in a whole nother episode. That could be an entire series on its own. But needless to say, right out there, I'm in the house right now because the guys are outside using blowers and weed eaters and stuff. And so I came in here to talk to you. But in that garage, right out there, is a 2005 Jeep Wrangler LJ, the Unlimited, which is the 2-door. It's the extended version. And I'm really excited about what we're going to do there. And I'm going to keep that under wraps for what we're doing there. And here's the part that I'm kind of excited about. I'm picking up a blue and tan 1985 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Worst case is it gets sold for parts. The best case is I can get it running and get it fixed up. It has not moved. It's been parked in the same spot since at least 2004. It's 2018, so for 14 years, it has been sitting still in one place. The frame's good. There's one dent in the back left corner panel, and it doesn't run. It hasn't run. No clue what has gone wrong with it, what happened to it, why it got parked in the first place. The person that I'm getting it from has about 4 boats in the driveway in the side of the yard. This house is vacant. It was inherited. There's 2 trucks in the driveway. There's a Mazda Miata. There's all kinds of stuff, and they just need to clean this stuff up. And so through my friends, they knew my attachment to Jeeps and called me, and I said I would see what I could do. If I could get it running, great. If I can't, then I've got somebody who would want it for parts. So that's where we are. That's something shocking. I sold the Jeep. Yeah. I'm a little bit excited, and I'm a lot worried that I'm going to really regret that. But, you know, you got to rip the Band-Aid off sometime. Stupid. I bought a Jeep sight unseen on eBay. Something exciting is to see if we can get this Jeep Grand Wagoneer, the 85, back on the road again. If we do, guys, think about it. We just took something that's been sitting in a yard for 14 years and given it a new life. That's pretty cool. At least in my book, that's pretty exciting. So you guys come along, and I'll keep you up to date on what we're going to do. I hear them right there at the back door starting to use the blower. Hopefully it's not distracting to you. But we're going to go ahead and end this episode, and we're going to bring you more on 2 Jeeps.